In this video, we'll guide you through how to use classification codes in APA PsycInfo on the EBSCO platform. So what are classification codes? They're a tool in APA PsycInfo that groups articles, book chapters, and dissertations by broad subject categories. Think of them as a way to quickly narrow down your search results to focus on topics that matter most to your research question. Using classification codes can be especially helpful when you're overwhelmed by too many search results, you want to focus on a specified subfield or theme, or a search term has multiple meanings across different areas of psychology. Imagine you're researching how depression might impact the effectiveness of health services during recovery from an accident. For this example, we'll use classification codes in APA PsycInfo on the EBSCO platform to refine our search. First, make sure EBSCO is set to search only APA PsycInfo. While classification codes are available in other APA databases, like APA Psych Articles, APA Books, and APA Psych Extra, let's keep our focus on APA PsycInfo for now. Head to the Subjects section just below the main search box. Use the APA Thesaurus tool to find and select terms like depression and accidents. Add these terms to your search using "and" to capture articles that include both subject terms. Now scroll down to the Search Options section on the page. At the very bottom, you'll find a list of classification codes organized by their 4-digit numbers. If you're new to using classification codes, start by opening the complete list on the APA website. We've included a link to this list in the video description. From this list, you can use Control-F or Command-F on a Mac to search for codes related to your topic. For our example, let's see what codes relate to health treatment. 3300, which stands for Health and Mental Health Treatment and Prevention, could be a valuable code to focus our search on articles related to treatment and prevention strategies. Back on EBSCO's search page, scroll to 3300 in the classification codes list and add it to your search. Select Search, and 10 focus results, all relevant to your topic, will appear. These results include articles that combine depression, accidents, and health-related treatment and prevention. To expand the search, you can add more classification codes. Going back to the classification codes list, some additional codes that could be helpful include 3365, Promotion and Maintenance of Health and Wellness, 3371, Outpatient Services, and 3373, Community and Social Services. Adding more codes will broaden your search and yield more results. After rerunning your search, you now have 16 well-targeted results, a bigger but still manageable list. From here, you can refine your search further by adding more classification codes or searching with additional thesaurus terms. Now, let's try a second example that uses classification codes after you have already completed your initial search. Let's say you are just getting started on a topic and you are interested in learning more about Alzheimer's. With over 89,000 results, we'll need to focus our research question on something more specific. Below the search bar, select All Filters. In the pop-up menu, scroll down to the Classification drop-down. Here, classification codes are organized based on the number of search results they generate, with those linked to the most results listed at the top. From here, choose the aspect of Alzheimer's research that interests you most, such as neurological disorders and brain damage, or psychopharmacology. Selecting the +43 More link reveals additional classifications with smaller results lists such as home care and hospice, clinical psychological testing, and genetics. In summary, classification codes are a versatile and effective tool. Whether applied early or later in the search process, combining them with keywords or thesaurus terms can help you quickly refine your topic and create a focused, relevant results list tailored to your research needs. Thanks for watching. For more search tips and strategies, please see our YouTube channel or visit the APA website.